Hey guys. Okay, hey guys. Welcome back to another Minecraft.
Not Minecraft. Kaijudo.
Okay, kaijudo video.
Minecraft is awesome.
Okay, we're gonna be playing some kaijudo. We already gone because someone tipped over the camera. Anyway, his name is Lawrence. Let's keep on doing this. I got one mana. Go, Aaron. This is Aaron. I'm right here.
I'm Jonathan.
I got this. So cute.
I'm Derek. Oh my God. Gavin.
Okay, my turn.
Yeah. Okay, Jonathan.
Jeez, don't be so 30 seconds. I just got I got all spells in my hand. This is crap.
Exactly. Who's my plan?
That was your plan.
Who's my plan? Hopefully you got all spells.
Oh boy, I put my only
What's your turn? I should have shuffled plan. No.
Go.
You're keeping it, Gavin.
This is crap.
Well, you want me to get him later?
Oh yeah, I'm right here. Just reminding, I'm right here with these shields.
Yeah. What if I mesmerize you?
I hate it when I have to do this. Like I went to record in Terrace, I think, but I don't think I uploaded it. And like everyone is doing this.
I play a creature called
stop it.
Aqua Celestial.
Is it my turn? Is it my turn?
Yeah. That's a good birthday. How did you get him? Trade.
My hand, it's like all spells.
Where?
My hand's all spells.
Jonathan, is it my turn? No. Is it my turn now? It's your turn now. So it isn't. Yes, it is. That sucks.
I tap your creature. Till the end of your next Spark Cage taps this creature and here you go.
That means he is untapped now.
Not really. Yeah. Oh, I have to draw a card once I tap them. I didn't shuffle my deck good. Got another one of these guys. No, it doesn't. It doesn't mean he's untapped. Tap 3. No, it doesn't.
Tap target enemy creature. When it's my turn, he gets untapped.
It doesn't say that though.
Yeah? It said only tapped.
It's tap forever.
That's shield.
Tap to the end of the next
No. And then I get to pick up because it's one of its abilities.
Yeah, because water makes you actually pick up cards.
Makes you pick them up.
Okay, my turn?
Yeah.
Go. Finally, I have a creature in my hand. Tap target temporary.
Tap 3.
Yeah.
I have doubles of everything in my hand.
Double. Tap 1. Jump jets. Hovercraft will.
No.
That shield. Walk. Okay.
I cast Keeper of Clouds and go.
Why would someone be a keeper of clouds?
Because he's a keeper of clouds, he's an airplane, who cares?
He keeps clouds.
He keeps clouds in his closet.
2, 3, 4, 5 mana. Okay. I have 5 mana, people.
That's nice. You have 5 mana, I have 4. So you went first. And you forgot to place down mana last turn.
No.
Yeah, you did. That's why you only had 2. I had like 8.
It was. It did good before.
Tap that shield, but then I block that block.
You can't block that block. That's tapped. But you can't block that in kaijudo. That's dead.
Fine, my Aqua Celestial.
You have to draw the arrow too. That would be awesome.
Oh, it's not my turn.
And
then they block it with theirs, and you have to block it.
Oh, yay. This is just perfect. I can keep on getting spills.
It's awesome. They would probably screw me though. 5, 6, tap 4.
What are you biting your nail?
Panina.
Tapped.
I like waffle. Is it dead?
And draw a card. No.
I got all the cards. I got the last card that I really want.
And I kill that creature.
No. My turn.
And go.
I blocked your attack.
You can't. You can't block a creature with your own creature. My God.
Hi guys. Mason here. He's being like bum. Blah 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 blah. So
you can't do anything now. You just place them down.
Your turn.
No, I have jump jets in my hand.
Yeah, but you forgot to place them down.
Go. Oh no, no, Aaron, I'm losing. And look at
No, trolls.
4, 5, 6.
3, 6.
No.
You do with 5 men.
Mark of Tritonus. Wait, Tritonus.
Tritonus.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I'm so close. Those two.
Bronze arm try.
And he goes back to your hand. Dang it.
No.
Attack your shield.
What's his ability?
When this creature enters the battle zone, you put the top card of your deck into the top card of your deck.
Just,
Aaron.
Eh.
I'm gonna lose, and look at what I got.
but it doesn't matter.
Aaron, I placed down Dauntless Tusker.
No.
Racer kids are kill scene.
You have to tap those mana.
Oh no, you're turn.
Okay. Okay, and I attack the creature. He's dead.
Can't you try?
Yeah, I can.
He's not tapped.
That's Skirmisher.
Oh, look at my.
Yeah, but he's not tapped.
Yeah, sure. So go. I'm still. He's kind of winning, I guess.
One of my shields with Terror Pit.
2.
Yeah, go.
7 mana. 7 mana.
One Andromeda for my birthday.
Grab and stab. He's banished.
If they resold Dragon Strike, that'd be cool.
Wait. Oh, never mind.
Why is Dragon Strike gone? Like, why did they?
I don't know. Go.
Break that shield.
Okay, that shield. Okay. My turn? Yep.
Why do I still have all my shields and you have 3?
Because I don't have any creatures.
You're like, oh!
Oh,
But I could attack to your shield. Wait. Okay, I thought you had 6 and like, what? You're not allowed to do that.
I have 7. Look how many shields I have, Mason.
If you were to look at them, they have a tap.
Gift card.
To Ethereal Shield. Tap that creature. Tap that tap enemy creature. So I wasted 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Dang it, I can't believe next turn I would have placed Immolator.
When this creature enters the battle zone,
I didn't have
tap
enough mana.
Tap enemy
I know, I had
creature.
8. One more. Mark of Infernus. Then
2 shields.
Can you believe that?
I tap. Why do you have those 2 shields? Put them back.
Hey, Mason. Hey, what the heck? You had 7 shields.
He was joking.
Bundle wishes.
Oh my god. Oh wait, I'm not done. I'm not done.
No, I still need to use it.
Cool.
Because it was a shield blast.
That'll help.
Guys, look what I have.
I got
saw.
What is it?
But I don't know what it's called. It's Comet Missile.
No, it isn't.
1, 2,
No, it's just don't.
4.
Stop it. Where did you get Hold it.
I will. The 50-cent machine.
Can you just keep on going?
So now does that cast it for free?
Pull up the top. Got anything else?
And I pulled Longest Lookout. Or Scan.
Yay, I get to cast it for free. Pick up 2
Yeah,
cards.
but it's still my turn.
I think so.
Go.
No, he goes into the map.
My turn?
The battle zone.
It's still my turn. I use Regroup.
When he
Waste
attacks.
2 mana.
Technically, you're summoning him.
It untapped your creatures.
Oh, that's Ryan. We have a
Wait.
question. Yep.
And I break
I killed that guy.
your turn. Let me see.
I banish him level 4 or less.
Level 4 or
Yes,
less.
you are allowed
Wait,
to.
when this
you are-
creature attacks, it gets
anything even less
4,000
than
plus.
4,000.
When you have a dragon.
Yeah, because that's
okay,
a
fine.
cast. That's putting into play.
But I still destroyed that shield.
Because you did it with him first. Then I picked up and did Bone Blades because you have to wait. And then he was banished, so you couldn't.
Yeah, but I did. Okay, and I use another regroup. And I destroy that shield.
My turn?
And another regroup.
Wait.
Yes, another regroup.
My turn.
Go.
Say you try to death smoke Immolator.
See, look at that. You think I lost?
Can I just turn Immolator to my hands?
Yeah, we can see the night.
Then you still gotta break 3 shields.
Boy, he has. Oh no, those are the single breakers. Then he
I
can't.
have an Issel fortress.
1, 2, 3, 4. that doesn't count yet. I will break that shield. And it is your turn.
It was your turn.
I played mana and I liked it. Pulled out my cherry chopstick. For 7 men I played Castle Jack.
Doesn't have fast
Break
attack.
that shield.
But you could have a jump jet in your hand.
Okay. Let me
No, I break the shield.
Break, no? Okay.
Ribbit. Oh.
It is nothing.
Wait, no, dang it, no, can you put that back? No, yeah, put it back.
I don't. No, I'm not gonna do it.
Or to play Harold. The camera's dying. Gets fast attack because of hyper.
Okay, we're still rolling. Don't worry. My turn.
Yeah, can you just leave me?
No.
I can't complain.
I have no dragons I can play off Harold. I have no dragons I can play off.
I had a chance.
Reverse time.
6, 7, 8, 9. Anything you trade for it?
Yeah. Water. Razor Kinder.
Water? Yeah, definitely.
How?
5.
I have somewhat of good water. I have 4,000.
My blocker.
Okay, guys. Since I have all my creatures destroyed, and you.
Yay!
Good game.
Murda!
Yeah. Good game. Good game. I won.
Yeah!
See, guys, you thought I would lose because I only had like 3 shields left and I beat him.
Yeah, people.
That's using strategy. Anyway, bye, guys.
Hi, guys. Wait, no, no!